Welcome to Tech Tips by Technion. I'm David Baldwin. In the previous two videos in this series, I covered highlight tables. In this video, we'll learn how to create a dual axis chart. You can download the workbook associated with this video via the below link. I'll begin by double-clicking on sales to place sum of sales on the row shelf. Next, I'll place order date on the column shelf. In this case, I don't want to see year. Instead, I'd like to see every month-year combination. So I'll click on the order date drop-down and select the second instance of month, the one with the gray text to the right which reads May 2015. I'll change this line graph to a bar chart by interfacing with the Marks View card and selecting Bar. For the line graph that's to go on top of this bar chart, I'll use Discount. The default aggregation for measures in Tableau is Sum, but I'd like to change that for Discount, so I'll right-click on Discount in the Data pane and select Default Properties, Aggregation, Average. I'd also like for Discount to display as a percentage, so I'll right-click on Discount again and select Default Properties, Number Format, Percentage. I'll set the decimal points to 0. Next, I'll create the dual axis. I can do that one of two ways. I can either drag Discount to the far right-hand side of the visualization until I see the vertical dashed line, and if I release my mouse button, Tableau will automatically create a dual axis. I'll click the Undo button in the upper left-hand corner to show you another approach, where I'll place Discount on the row shelf after sum of sales. I'll click on the drop-down and select Dual Axis. Now you can see that I have a dual axis chart, but since both of the axes are set to bar, it's not particularly useful. Let's address that. Note that the Marks View card now has an expanded view with all, sum of sales, and average discount. Under the average discount expansion, I'll change the view type to line. What now displays is pretty much what I want, but before we call it a wrap, let's address one more thing. If I right-click on the discount axis, you will note that Synchronize is deselected, which is what I want in this case, because if I synchronize the axis, discount displays as a flat line at the bottom of the visualization. Just keep in mind that if measures are relatively close in value, a synchronized axis is likely best. If measures have vastly different values, a desynchronized axis is the better choice. That completes the dual axis chart. Be sure to check out the next video in the series where I'll cover how to create a box and whisker chart. For more tech tips, check us out at technionusa.com or the Technion YouTube channel.